Good evening. Now we are going through a remarkable transitions. Almost all the humanities are going through a crisis which are indescribable by nature, and still we are optimistic because it is an empirical knowledge with us that we human being can get rid of, or we are in a position to overcome almost all the eventualities before us. Of course, for that we have to pay certain cost. Anyway, we have to exist, we have to sustain, but still sustenance is not everything before us. Every day we are thinking of how we can grow, how our activities can grow, how our area of operation can grow, and ultimately we can be in a position that we are able enough to get rid of almost all the challenges before us. So, almost all of us have objective with us, and when we are thinking of objectives, we know that it is time only which help us to serve our objectives, either in short way or in a long term way. So in a day we see that 24 hours, and 24 hours nowadays are own to keep on our activities and to keep on our production, to keep on our trading, to keep on our service, everything. So if we are thinking of 24 hours, now we are treating ourselves as if we are machines, and we have developed ourselves with the help of robotics and computer software programming. And at the same time, for achievement or to serve our short-term as well as long-term objectives, we depend on advertisement and public relations. Scholars are there, philosophers are there, those who have given advertisements and public relations are definitely good impetus for almost all the organizations, for almost all the individuals, for almost all the entities to serve our own purpose, either maybe small objectives or our big objectives. If we safeguard almost all the hours from 24 hours, then definitely we can get some short-term objectives, and we have to evolve strategy in that way or at par, which can serve our short-term objectives with the help of short-term strategies, and by the help of this short-term strategy or short-term objectives, we can get our purpose served in the long way and in our big objectives also. So when advertisements and public relations were not there, still organizations were there, and they used to do their business throughout the world. We have also studied that many organizations on this planet, those who have still exists, when there were no advertisements devices, no mediums, and at the same time communications and transportation facilities were not there at par as of now. Still, our human civilizations at that time used to evolve their own ideas how to have advertisements in an indirect way or direct way, and how to maintain a good rapport in the societies, and in case of diversification and expansion of our activities also, they used to explore the entire world. How it was? The original thing which can help us in every sixes and sevens, in every now and is called quality. We should definitely look after the quality of our service, the quality of our goods, whatever we are doing for the people at large. We know that our activities are to sustain on the societies. Our products are to be mobilized in the societies at large. So only if we maintain advertisements and we have maintained public relations so-called in a superfluous way, it is not going to serve our purpose in a long term. Because human mind is very reactionary by nature and very reactive by nature, and for a day or two it can manage the mindset of the people or mindset of the society, but in the long term it cannot sustain, because when we are consuming one particular product at our own individual level, it is our optimum way, it is our optimum objective to optimize our own satisfaction, because for that we are paying the cost. Likewise, when the societies at large are to get themselves ready to pay the cost for our service or for our product, definitely their intention is to satisfy their particular wants in an optimum way. That is why the utility is there. And we know that utility is nothing but the capacity to satisfy the human wants with the goods and services is utility. And it is not measured in any other way than money only. It may be sometimes rupee, it may be sometimes pound, it may be sometimes dollar, or whatever may be the currency of a particular nation. But irrespective of diversifications or diversities of currencies which are there in force in various countries on the globe, definitely to earn the same, any consumer or any customer is to gather that amount of money which we are dispensing or which we are selling. Sometimes many people or many organizations have also evolved, have also adopted many developed schemes for their advertisements and public relations, and to retain the existing customers and at the same time to have self-promotion also. They have developed discounting method, they have developed so many things, product mix, marketing mix, so many strategies are there. Still, it has been observed that it is quality of the goods or it is the quality of the service what we render for others which can exactly satisfy the customers. And if we are in a position to satisfy a few potential customers, then automatically it will canvas or the message will go throughout the world or throughout the entire network of our operations, despite our unwillingness, even despite our own effortlessly it can grow. It can definitely explore the areas as per our own expectation, and at the same times it can also sometimes surpass beyond our expectations. So no matter in what time we are or through which transitions we are going, but definitely we have to maintain our quality in every now and then. Because suppose we are selling, sometimes we believe that if we are dealing elixir or nectar in life, then also we have to maintain the quality, because quality is the only thing which man intends to get in every conscious and subconscious mind, and at the same time almost all the classifications of customers or consumers, we can observe that a small infant is also very inquisitive by nature, and some philosophers have also given their view. Infants are also scientists by nature, and when they are being put or they are being acclimatized with particular institutions or schools, they are becoming bogus. But they have also certain sense of inquisitiveness, and at the same time rest or remaining the classes of the customers are automatically focused on the quality of the products and services. No matter whether the civilization has enriched as much as we can, as much as the humanities can, but quality has no synonym. Only quality can sustain, can grow, and can have the profitability despite or irrespective of the situations on this earth. So all of us, almost all the professionals, almost all the organizations, almost all the entities are to definitely think of that quality is the only key to success or to sustain. That's all. So it is an apple as an individual. If at all it is reaching to your conscience or to your intellect, please subscribe and share, and give the message or give the feedback so that I can be in a position to give or to deliver many good things or many better things which are exactly required to sustain as an individual, as an organization, as an entity. That's all. Thank you.